All right, so this is math homework pages 407 and 408. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and work out the first three with you because I know we had a little bit of trouble with multiplying decimals today. I'm going to show you two ways that you can work this out. All right. I know that we use the turtle head method. I've already copied down my problem. Now y'all know that I'm a big fan of turning this paper sideways so that you don't get your numbers all in the wrong spot. When we do this, you don't want to share any spots, okay? So we'll just go through and we'll multiply like regular. I'm going to ignore the decimals. I've got 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, and 3 times 0 is 0. If I go through the turtle head method and I cross this off and I give it a color and then I drop my egg right here, I'm going to multiply these, and 0 times 8 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0. Then I go to my third place right here and I do it again, but instead of one egg, you put 2 little zeros down because there's 2 spots behind this place. And then you multiply out all those zeros. And that is a lot to do. That's a lot of extra work. I'm going to show you a shortcut in just a minute. You add this up, 4, 8, and all of these zeros right here. Now you go back and you count your spots where you're behind your decimal. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. And I come here and I hop over 1, 2, 3, 4 spots right there. So an alternate way of solving this, earlier today we said forget about the decimals. Just forget about the decimals, all right? So I want you to treat these numbers of 28 and 3. I pretend they're whole numbers. You got 28 times 3. When we solve that, 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is 8, so you've got 84. You go back to that original problem, which is 28 hundredths times 3 hundredths. There's the original problem right there. You still have 4 decimal spots that you've got to deal with. But what we ended up doing was we cut out all of the extra. We focused on the digits at task. 1, 2, place saver 0 for spot 3, place saver 0 for the 4th spot, and you put it right there. It's done. Okay? Let's do another one, and I'm actually going to use the shortcut way of doing this. And I'm actually going to rewrite this and flip my factors because it's just easier for me to multiply like that. So I'm going to use 91 times 11. I've got 91, place saver, 91 again, add them up, 1, 10, 10. So that looks like 1,001. Go to my original problem. Sorry. Count my decimal spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots. Come over here. Start scooping and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal there. Place saver 0 right there. Then you've got 5 and 14th hundredths times 4 tenths. Now remember, multiplication, you do not line up your decimal. All right, on this one, we'll do it the traditional way. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. That's it. I'm multiplying by a 0. Everything I multiply is going to be 0. Count my spots. 1, 2, 3 spots. Start here, count over, 1, 2, 3. 2 and 56 thousandths is what you end up with. If I totally ignored the decimal and rewrote it as a whole number, leaving the decimal out, that's 5 and that's 20. And then I went back and I looked at my original problem and I counted 3 decimal spots, I would still get the same answer. If you need to work it out like this in order to solve it correctly, then do that. if you need to break it out. If you are fine with the decimals, then use the decimals. I'm just saying on cases like this, that's too much sugar for the dime right there. That's just a whole bunch of multiplying by 0, which is just wasting time because 0 times anything is 0. Okay? I'm going to also post the answers to this. So you want to make sure that you've got it down, keep practicing, and then check your work. All right? Thanks. Bye.